Hi there! In this tutorial we are going to learn how to remove any image background. We remove background of this flower and put it here. In this canvas site, we can remove background, but it's paid. So, we do it on another site. This site is totally free to use. We upload the image from desktop. It's ready to download. We download it and upload it to canvas site. So, I delete the previous image, and I use the new one. It's amazing, isn't it? At the beginning it was like this, and we didn't use any special application to do this. We hope you like and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!